Oh, that is sick.
I don't know where it is.
Landing. Addy mode.
Shit. So over Christmas, I finally bit the bullet and bought a drone. I've been wanting one for a long time, but it's kind of hard to justify something that you're very rarely going to use. I got a DJI Spark, which is a great little drone. It's tiny, small enough you can pack in your luggage and take it with you on vacation, which is the main reason I bought it. Not as hard to fly as you would think, however, it does take a little bit of practice. So yesterday I was flying the drone. Conditions were perfect. The lake was calm, flat. And I thought, you know what? That would be really cool if we could go out there and just skim the bottom, just right above the waves, the lake, and take it for a flight. So I did. And I crashed. Lucky enough for you and me, I was recording the whole thing as it happened. Take a look.
Take off. Addy mode.
How long do you have to plug it in to get 15 minutes?
Oh, probably about an hour.
Addy
Oh,
mode.
is that all?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Holy sh... It hit the water, and I thought it was gone. I thought, oh, damn it, there goes the drone. But then it skipped, and it kept going. And I thought, holy shit, it's still flying.
Falcon! Get her up. It's coming.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
Hold on, I'm trying.
Still, I hear it.
Can't you see it?
So I managed to get it above the water a little bit, and we got it back. I got the drone back.
Get it down, buddy. Watch you don't fall off the thing.
Landing.
It was kind of full of water when I got it back. Thankfully, I bought the DJI insurance package, and I should be able to get a new drone or have it repaired for a minimal cost to me. All right. So I've got my drone back. Crashed my drone again. Just got it back and I took it up and was flying it and I crashed it into a boat and it's gone. I got video of the crash, but I don't have the drone, so I don't know if I'll be able to get a drone out of the deal, get a new drone, or if it's just gone for good, but the drone is gone.
Take off. Addy mode. Addy mode.
Yeah.
Is it a screen?
Yeah.
Oh, that is sick.
I don't know where it is.
Landing. Addy mode.
Shit.